Good morning! Where are you going, honey bun?
Going riding with the Flight Club, the rats.
My husband go for ride. So, we have a look. Have a look with Dad. I'm not going with my husband today because I'm working this afternoon. I'm working this afternoon, so I'm not going for ride. Ride by herself today with the club. All the biker. You go for ride, all the bikers.
Bye. See you later.
You take care, don't drive too fast.
No, be good.
You be good on the road. There we go. My husband like riding the bike every weekend if you got some club going for ride. So, supposed to be my husband gonna fix my car today, but she wanna go for ride. So, leave it tomorrow to fix my car.